Rachel Griesaver, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and today I want to show you how to use your oven and grill cleaner. So it is actually very unsafe to use your self-cleaning function on your oven. It will release lots of toxic fumes. In addition to that, the high heat can cause a lot of problems and even damage your oven. So our oven and grill cleaner creates an effective solution for countering that. Our oven and grill cleaner has heat-activated enzymes that go to work when they're heated up to really clean your oven out really easily. With the oven and grill cleaner, I am also going to use a kitchen scrub cloth and an EnviroCloth. So I have another EnviroCloth here on the counter as well. This is just to use in the gray color so that I don't have to worry about getting lots of stains on my pretty champagne color. To do a little bit of spot cleaning when I'm done, because the oven and grill cleaner won't get every single part clean, I am going to be using our cleaning paste and a spear net. And then once I'm done doing a little bit of spot cleaning, I will follow it up with the EnviroCloth afterwards just to clean it all up nice and beautiful. So let's get started with a closer look. Here is what our oven looked like before. Start by removing anything that has fallen on the bottom of your oven, those big pieces of food. This will help the oven and grill cleaner be much more effective. Next, you want to remove the rack from inside of your oven and preheat your oven to 170, which is the lowest setting it can go to. Once the oven is preheated, open the door and let it cool off. Spray some water on the inside of the oven to make sure it doesn't evaporate right away. If it doesn't, you're ready for the oven and grill cleaner. Open the little door on the nozzle so that you get a nice spray, and spray the entire oven down. After you've let the oven and grill cleaner work for 15 minutes, open up your oven, and now you're ready to wipe it down. If you find that the cloth is not working as well as you'd like it to, I suggest using a spear net or a speary sponge to pick up some of the tougher things to clean off of your oven. If your oven and grill cleaner looks like this after you have sprayed it, that means your oven is too hot. Be sure to give it time to cool off before you spray the oven and grill cleaner. It should actually look like this after you spray it. And here is your clean oven.